Is your Google local page suspended? Well, I made another video about how you can get your Google local page reinstated, but I want to make a follow-up video to that specific video, and I gave all the instructions. You can look back, it's maybe a few videos back, explaining how to go back reinstating your profile and get it back. But maybe you've been able to reinstate your profile, you can follow those instructions, or you figured it out yourself, but you're wondering, why is it getting suspended? And it might have gotten suspended multiple times. And I've dealt with this issue before, and I've kind of figured out what I think is the root of the cause of the issue. And for me, I think it's an automatic triggered issue that's happening inside the Google system related to other accounts that are using your Gmail account that made the Google local profile. So you may be authorizing that Gmail account in other third parties to do certain things. And one of the things that I was troubleshooting, it was the relay system for a lot of WordPress websites, the SMTP for the mail transfer protocol was connected to the account that was on the Google local that was kept getting suspended over and over again. So what I did to fix this was, rather than try to remove all those accounts that are connected, and you could go that route if you want to, but what I found was easier for me at least was to transfer the ownership of my Google local pages over to a different account that did not have a bunch of connections on them. So basically what you do is you go into your main profile area and you click on the ownership area, which is like, there's like three little dots, click go to owners, and then add a new owner. You're gonna pick another one of your Gmail accounts and add that as an owner. Now you're not gonna be able to make it as the prime owner to start. You have to just add it as like a manager or owner, not the prime owner. That account that has the Gmail is still gonna be the primary owner, because if you try, first you have to add your other Gmail account, it's gonna add it in there, and then you'll be able to see that you have one Gmail account as the number one, and your other one you just added as number two. So the primary one is the one that keeps getting the suspension and the issues, and we need to get that out of there. But it's not going to allow you to do that right off the bat. So if you try to switch the other account to primary, it's going to say you need to wait 7 days to do this. So unfortunately, you have to wait 7 days. So after a full week has gone by and 7 days, you go back in there, and what you're going to do is you're going to make the one that we added the primary, so it's now the account owner, and then you're going to delete the other one, so it's not in there at all. And when you do this, it will resolve the issue of your Google local pages getting suspended. They will no longer get suspended because we have a brand new Gmail account that's not connected to a bunch of different third parties out there, flagging the Google system and causing all kinds of issues and errors and causing it to get suspended. And that suspension is a pain in the butt. You lose business. You have to go about trying to reinstate it, and that's a long process. And like I explained in that other video, which I think was almost 5 minutes long, it is a long process to get it reinstated, and if we can prevent them from getting suspended in the first place, that's a huge win for our business. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. I know I kind of covered a lot in this video. If you need a little bit more dial in with your specific situation related to Google local profiles, you can certainly reach out to me. You can contact me down below. You can email me, call me, and I would love to help you out. So thank you so much. This is Joe Field with SkyPoint Studios, and I will catch you on the next video.